very good afternoon to one and all. I am Dr. Anuradha Nagpal from Hisar, Haryana. I completed my MS in Obs and Gynae in 2023 and I've been practicing since then, privately as well as freelancing. So when I shifted to Hisar, before that I was in Meerut. I shifted to Hisar. I saw a lot of surgeons who were doing good laparoscopy and I was not well versed with this skill. So I felt a need to go and learn this skill, and then I was searching for the good laparoscopic training institutions through internet. I got to know about SMASTI, and then I had a word with sir and their team. So I applied here and I came here. At first I was a bit skeptical that I would be able to learn or not, or how the things are going to be. But sir made it so easy for us. All the faculty members here made it very easy for us. We started from the basics, and this course is very well structured, starting from the basics, going to the advanced things. And we get ample of amount of exposure in OTs. We used to get scrubbed in, and also we used to have a lot of hands-on the simulator. And this was made easier by sir, J.S. Chauhan sir and Alka ma'am a lot. All the faculty members, even I am from a OBG branch, so the surgical team was also helpful. They used to tell us all the steps they are doing, and I even assisted in a surgical case. So no bias thing is there, and we get a lot of exposure. So it makes it a very good thing for the beginners, that you are getting good chance to get scrubbed in, to know the basics, starting from the beginning. And it has been a great experience for me here. I'm going to miss them all. So it was just like we were having things just like family here. I did not miss my family even for a day. So in the end, I just want to say, Shikshak वो दीपक है जो खुद जलता है. So sir, ma'am, everyone, all the faculty members, keep us enlightening with this knowledge of yours. Keep all the other students enlightened with this your skill. And thank you so much.